Hey giggly pals, today I will draw Bluey versus the Angry Birds, a clash of feathers and paws, a mix of funny fights and playful loss. While the drawing comes alive stroke by stroke, I'll share a story that bounces high with cheer. But before we launch into the fun, tap like on this video and subscribe my channel so every new adventure can appear near. Bluey was strolling through the park, her paws brushing across green grass, when she heard a rustle above. She looked up to see a flock of birds staring down at her. But these weren't ordinary birds. They had round bodies, big eyebrows, and eyes full of fiery determination. "Why are you looking at me like that?" Bluey asked nervously. The red bird squawked, hopped forward, and spread its wings wide. Behind it, a yellow bird zipped in circles, and a blue trio chirped together as if ready to dive. "Oh dear," Bluey muttered. "They think I'm in their territory." The birds suddenly charged, bouncing toward her with surprising speed. "Quick, can you jump on the spot like Bluey, ready to dodge?" she asked you excitedly. Bluey leapt left, then right, narrowly missing the red bird's swoop. She spun, her ears flapping, and bolted across the grass. The yellow bird zoomed after her, leaving a streak of motion, while the blue trio split into three, trying to block her path. Bluey's heart raced. "I need a plan," she thought. Spotting a pile of soft leaves, she dashed toward it, leapt inside, and disappeared into the heap. The birds paused, confused, searching for her. Then pop! Bluey jumped out of the leaves, wagging her tail with laughter. "You're not so scary after all," she giggled. The birds tilted their heads, realizing she only wanted to play. Slowly, the red bird hopped closer, letting out a softer chirp this time. Bluey stretched out her paw, and to her surprise, the bird nuzzled it gently. Soon, they were all bouncing together, Bluey laughing, the birds chirping, the park filled with joy instead of battle. "See? Even rivals can turn into friends," Bluey whispered with a smile. "Now close your eyes. Feel the cheer. Friendship can grow from far or near. Rest your heart. Let worries slide. Joy and laughter walk beside."